Hey guys!
It's me, Phoebe. Oh, hey guys! It's me, Phoebe. And I'm with my big sister,
Trina.
And today we are in our Slime Time Factory.
Yeah.
Paige, if you're watching this,
We love you.
Yeah. And also, we're going to sell one of these slimes to you. So make sure, and anyone out there can win a slime. So everybody out there, like our videos.
I have to.
Like our videos,
Subscribe.
and comment a nice thing.
And I will be checking.
And
once someone comments, I get an email to tell me something.
yeah, and then we will send this to you. And Paige, we're going to send one to you. Just send
we'll
nice.
see you soon.
Yeah. So just had a nice comment, and then you can win a slime.
And guys, I'm buying more activated this week because we've hardly got any left.
So this is the charcoal slime that we just made. Well, we actually had the white slime. This was actually white slime. When Katrina found some model magic that was black, so she said Phoebe, and I said no, and then she said Phoebe, and I said no, and then she said yeah. But it's actually made it better.
So thank you, me.
So I know our table looks a mess. I am so sorry we didn't prepare this video. Clear slime. I actually love clear slime. This is not actually clear. We need to wait 1 more week, don't we? Or is it clear? No. Well, this one is. Well, you need to stretch it slowly. But for this one, there you go. No! Okay, for this one, you don't need to stretch it slowly. You can just stretch it fastly.
Crunch it.
Oh. No! Please, get the butter popcorn one. I love that one.
I want to feel it first. Here you go. Look at
This one is a butter slime.
Feel.
Wow. But look at that, guys. You think that's disgusting, but it's
Phoebe.
not.
Okay.
It's cold.
It's amazing.
Oh, and for the temperature, okay, so we're going to show you what to do with slime if you're going to make some slime. So all you need is some PVA glue.
Any type. It can't be wood glue because that's not going to work.
And not like buffalo glue or gorilla glue.
You can use clear though.
But this one, and you can get
From
it at
Poundland. And B&M Bargains.
You can get it at Poundland, and you can get it at what else? Asda.
B&M Bargains.
B&M Bargains. You can get it in the
these containers are
Concord.
excellent.
Yeah. Where's the lid for this one?
I feel this. Whoa.
Yeah, that's all you need. And then next, you need. People just say that you need this kind of shaving foam. Well, if you're going to make slime like that, then you need this shaving foam as well. So put these in together. It will make it better. This one is the gel one. It'll form it. This one is the just white one, what you'd use in your beard for guys. That'll make it fluffy. And I used both, and we were running out of air because I was like, Katrina, and then she said, add this shaving foam, and I was like, no. And then when I added it, guys, the slime formed. Well, it's a little bit sticky at the moment, so you need to add a lot in, but it actually died. We've done a funeral before this. Love it. Wherever he is, Katrina. What's that slime? Oh, that's a mint slime. Show it to the camera.
It's so stretchy though.
I love it. I love it.
It's hard,
but
then it's cool.
But it won't break if it's hard. I don't know why.
It will.
Weird. Oh, yeah, if you stretch it slowly, then it's nice. But so you can use them, and then you need Airwick or
That's the key.
Renew. You need to use
Renew
contact solution.
Renew.
You can get it at Boots. Is it Boots?
Yeah, and Superdrug.
And Superdrug, and then your slime will form, and it'll become into this.
Phoebe, look at this one.
show that to the camera. It's so shiny. Well, you might not see that it's shiny, but this one is so glossy. Okay, and if you want to...
click.
Okay. Let me try my one.
Guys, listen.
Let me try my one. Mine doesn't. It's still nice though. But, yeah. If you making a slime and you want to put model magic in it, put it in.
It's amazing.
Put it in when the slime has actually formed, because if you put it straight in with the slime, then it won't form. It will go hard. It will ruin your slime. But if you put it after the slime is formed, then you will be saved. What time is it?
It's, I don't know, because we've got off time.
Oh yeah. Need to go at
5.
It's not 5.
It's only 4 yet.
Guys, is it 5? Comment down below. So Paige, Poppy, and everyone.
There's the big slime.
Oh,
There's the big slime.
let's try. I thought Daddy threw it away.
See? Because my dad comes in here. Dad comes in here.
Got it all away from me. Guys, do you notice slime in there?
Show me, Phoebe, show me. You haven't much.
Yeah, but still. Peekaboo!
Phoebe, Vimto slime.
Oh, Paige, you will love this slime. Show it to the camera, because Paige will love it. Paige loves Vimto.
Vimto. Ow. That looked my nose. I'm going back to Phoebe's for a roasted egg. Tasty.
Yours as well.
Sexy.
Okay.
Sexy Hayley's dinner.
Let's cut that bit out.
I hope doesn't watch this because it's just sexy.
She won't care.
I'm going to make a little slime.
Okay, guys. Actually, I didn't know this one. Okay, let's do the slime tour now. So first, it's this one. It is really cool. Katrina's making one. Katrina's making a slime. So this one is the first one, really sticky. But comment down below. Ew.
Looks like boogie.
Comment down below which this slime should be called.
Not
sticky slime, because I am gonna fix it. Yeah. But anyone who loves our channel, subscribe. Comment down below what this slime should be called.
Yeah, I love you guys.
Yeah, especially Paige.
Yeah.
Trina!
Wait.
Emergency, guys!
I'm not making a slime.
Katrina is actually making a slime right now. But we don't have any airwork left. Guys, this one is a big fail. Should we just leave the glue in there, and then when we get airwork, then?
Yeah. Oh.
It's just sprayed all over Katrina.
I got a bit.
Guys, that is actually satisfying. Sorry if you don't think it is, but it is. Sorry. Okay, so that's the slime.
It's falling a bit. I'm putting a bit.
Okay, and this slime, and this one does not need to be named because it is called popcorn slime. Now.
By the way, Lauren, if you're watching this, I love your present. It was amazing, wasn't it? Phoebe wants one.
No, I'm not jealous.
No, but she likes the.
Yeah, I love it. But okay, let me stretch it. It's really good though. I still like it. We are gonna add some shaving foam into that. It's so
when we
cold.
get some more.
It's so cold. So for the temperature, you need it to be cold. With cold, just a little bit of warm in the room, or your slime will just not do it. Okay, next one is the Vimto slime, Paige's favourite. Very, very, very stretchy. If you stretch it slowly, then it is satisfying to watch.
This is just.
Let me try and do a butter swirl.
Phoebe, look at this. It's just glue.
Okay, save that. Save it. And then when we Instagram.
Gus.
Who's Gus?
He's a real idea.
Okay, so.
Phoebe, I think we should go now. I think it's 5.
Wait. Let me just put that back. Put it back. So, guys, this is the mint slime. I won't get it out of the container.
Because we need to go.
Just look, guys. This is the mint slime. This comment down below what this should be called. BB slime. I don't know. Comment down below what this one should be called. Comment down below what this should be called. Speedy. And comment down below what this one should be called.
We need to go.
Oh wait, I'll get it. Guys, those are.
Oh.
Pick it up. Those are the rest of our slime.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we need to go.